Ever wonder how coconut milk is made and why it's so beneficial? It's a fascinating process. Coconut milk is derived from the fresh meat of mature coconuts. The white flesh is grated, soaked in hot water, and then pressed to extract the rich, creamy liquid. This mixture is then strained to remove any solids, leaving behind a smooth, velvety milk. But why drink it? Coconut milk is packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamin C, E, and several B vitamins, as well as essential minerals like magnesium, iron, and potassium. It's also a great source of healthy fats, specifically medium-chain triglycerides, which are easily absorbed by the body and provide a quick energy boost. Moreover, coconut milk can improve heart health by raising good cholesterol levels, support weight loss by curbing appetite, and enhance digestion thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. So next time you sip on coconut milk, remember it's more than just a delicious drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Don't forget to subscribe